So first let us see series or sequences of the alphabets. So how can be the sum? See, the first sum they can write as only the single alphabets. That is, suppose T and then S is given, then R is given, then Q is given, then P is given, then what will be next? Okay? Or suppose they have not given the single term and again the N is given. You can see that these are the T, then S, then R, then Q, then P. So here there should be O. Only they are going on the left hand side of the alphabets, and that's all. Okay? So there can be the gap also. Suppose I say that D, H, D, then H, then L, then P, then what? Here you can see from D to H there are 3 letters, E, F, G, left, and then from H also I, J, K, L is there. So L, then L, M, N, O, P is there. So let us see Q, R and S. So there will be S. Here you can say that how many letters are there, and like that you can see the group also. One more and that will be the last. Okay, see how you can do it. That is, you can make the group of any other type of letters also. Okay, suppose I make a group of F and K. So how many letters are there? That is F and K, so there are 4 letters. Then I make a group of G and L. Okay, then H and M. Like that I go on finding G and L, then H and M. So what can be the next one? Of course, I will have I and N. This will be the next group. Okay, so these are about, so this type of, any type of relation, any rule you can make and can do the your series. Okay, you also prepare on your own sums and let your friend try it, and so that you will get a good practice also. Now see, these are about the series and sequence. Now I will find out odd man out. Okay, odd man out, that is which is not fit in the given group. Then if I say which is not fit in the group, there can be some alphabets given and some letters given. See here, I have one letter, that is BA. See, observe the number, and then I will have another, that LK, that is also here again. Then I will say FE and then VW. These are the group of 4. Of course, it will have its own number, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you want to find out. See, A and B, it is like that. K and L, E and F, but you have U and the next letter. Okay, and so you can say that this is an odd man out. So what is the rule for the first 3 is not for the 4th one. Of course, it is not always the 4th one. So you can do it, and see here what is there. First I say the first group is having BG. Suppose there is one group, that is BGK. Then the other group I will have CHM. Then the third group I will have DIN. And the 4th group I will have EJO. So all these groups, how you can say that it is BGK CHM. Find out. B, here it is B, then G and K. So it is the first, second and again the first one. Okay. Then C third, H is third, M is third. So these are all same number in each group. So again, this will be our odd man out. Okay. Then suppose I write a series additions. Suppose one is number given X, then suppose it is given as S, the third is given as M, and the fourth is given as I. Then of course, which can be given as a wrong one? See, X is the second, S also the second, M is the third one, and I is the second. And so this is our odd man out. Okay. Like this, you can have the odd man out also, the figures can be there.